drinking
fuel, drinking kerosene. Hey. That is why she always left the house whenever she wants to do. So.
Okay, why are you causing her to do all those things?
Well, I like her.
You like her? That's when they like they punish her. Is this how you have your love for people? You forget her body is the temple of the Lord? Okay, where is the mother?
I don't carry my own.
Look over there! Do you know this person? Come. Do you know her? Over there! Do you know her?
She is the mother to her.
Okay, that is what your daughter was
and she can't let me breathe.
Why?
She's always disturbing her. Not to go out. Not to do this. Not to do
Why are you dragging a child with her?
I don't have any answer to that question.
Okay, you don't have an answer. Jesus is commanding you. The Bible says that the mission in the name of the Lord in chapter. You are on arrest. And you have no choice. Now, answer me. Why are you doing all this?
I like her.
You like her?
Yes.
First, you like her, you want her to be drinking for it. Or to be eating chocolate. Kerosine. If you continue doing like that, that's what they like, they do it like that. Now, your time will be expired. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Come out! Thank you, Lord.
Yes, we know. Get it, no.